Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do the pistachio frappuccino. It's kind of like the pistachio latte, but the recipe is a little bit different. So for my ice blended shakes, I'm going to show you here. I fill my cup, whatever cup I'm using, all the way up with ice, and then I fill it a little over halfway with water. I don't have measurements like 8 ounces or 5 cubes. It's just whatever cup I have, I fill it up with ice, then a little over halfway with water, and I always blend the water and ice first. I just like the texture when I do that. So as you can see, I have my ice and water blended up, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab my vanilla protein. And if you need 1 or 2 scoops of protein, whatever your plan requires, that's how many scoops you're going to put in here. It's not going to alter the recipe at all if you put 1 or 2. I'm just putting 1, but if you need 2, it is 100% okay. I'm just going over that because I do get a lot of personal messages asking. So now I'm going to grab my French vanilla Formula 1. I don't know if you guys know, but this is one of my favorite flavors because of the fact that you can just do so much with it. And if you guys do not have an Herbalife coach or you're looking for a coach, send me a message because I got you. I'll help you out. And now we're going to go ahead and grab our instant cafe bustelo. If you use coffee that is already brewed, that's fine. I would use that as the base instead of water though, so it's not watery. So instead of halfway with water, you would put the black coffee that is already brewed. But I personally like to use instant cafe bustelo because it's like adding an espresso shot. And now I'm going to grab my pistachio latte sugar-free skinny syrup. Love this stuff. Found mine at Home Goods. You can get it at Ross Marshall's, the Skinny Syrup website, or my Amazon storefront, which is listed in the link below of this video. I put 2 tablespoons of the skinny syrup. And now this is the pistachio pudding mix like you would get in the store for the cheesecake or white chocolate that's in the blue box, which is the Jello brand. So it's Jello pudding mix, sugar-free pistachio. Again, look for the blue box that's in the store. That's the easiest way to describe it. And that was just a tablespoon. And then I'm going to get whatever creamer you guys prefer. I love this almond caramel macchiato. I'm just gonna put 1 tablespoon in there. Whatever it is you guys use at home, go ahead and just add a tablespoon. It just puts a little twist on it since it is a coffee and it's pretty much a, let me just say, Starbucks dupe, because I don't want to get in trouble. But it is a dupe, obviously, and it's absolutely delicious. So we're gonna go ahead and blend that up. And while it's blending, I just want to thank everyone for liking, commenting, and subscribing, and turning on notifications and sharing with your Herbalife family. I really appreciate all of you guys. Y'all do not know how much you mean to me. And I also have my Herbalife recipe book, which is available in group form. That way I can always update you guys with new recipes. If you're interested in that, the link is below in this video if you just check out the description. And with that being said, if you are looking to get the products at a member level, go ahead and leave a comment below or send me a message to any of my socials. They're all listed here, and I will be happy to help you with that. And now you're going to see me just pour this absolutely amazing Frappuccino into this cup. Look at the texture of that. It is just so beautiful. That's why I like to blend the ice first. I really don't know if that's what makes a difference, but I've had some people try it and they said it made a world of difference. So if you want to try it, please do, because that's beautiful. Look at it. All right. Now I'm just going to go ahead and top up the shake with my amazing whipped cream. And you can use any kind of whipped cream you like. I'm just going to go ahead and put this on here, and I'm going to sprinkle on the top some more of the pistachio pudding mix that I was talking about in the store. You don't want to put too much, obviously, because it's pudding mix, but I'm going to go ahead and just sprinkle a little bit on there. I like to make sure I get a little of these pistachio like pieces. You see that? The little chunkies. I don't know if you can see that, but I like to pick out a little bit of those just to sprinkle on the top. If you have actual pistachios, that'd be great too. You can crush those up and put on top, but I didn't have any on hand. So I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys have a chance to try it. If you like the unnamed coffee shop, then you'll like this Frappuccino. It's just absolutely amazing. I hope you guys try it. Let me know in the comments below if you like it. And again, thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And I will see you on the next video.